is the first test. I've never done it before, so we'll see if this does anything or is a total failure. All right, so it works really well. Alright, let's say that works. Okay, so it's a pretty simple little pump. It's really only kind of 3 housing parts, 2 shafts, and 4 bearings. There's some screws and bolts to turn. So these are the intermeshing screws, one left hand, one right hand. Each one's supported by just it's a 6202 2RS bearing. It's 15 millimeters inside. I think it's 32 millimeters outside. And I've got some hexes in the ends of the shafts, just so I can spin it with that drill. Here's just a shot of kind of peeling back this case. I'll peel back the case in a way where we section the screws here, and you can kind of see the way the profiles intermesh, how they kind of spin together as we slip through the section. So I tried to make the fit as tight as there's only about 20 thou of clearance between the screws and the walls, and it printed really well. For sure there's a little bit of rubbing somewhere inside. I can feel it when I spin it with the drill, but it does spin pretty nicely, and it's a really tight assembly.